I don't know about you. That is really quite a steep climb. I've got to duck down so I can see where he's going. Oh bloody hell, this is steep. I know we've got, what is it, 5 litre V8 supercharged engine, but it's still 2.1 tonnes. Oh, this is horrendous. Oh, this is absolutely terrifying. I daren't actually look into the side, I can just see hands in front of me.
The wing is a great way of showing the level.
Okay, the hands have disappeared. Oh, we're in the plane. Yeah. We aren't going to die now. We're no longer going to die. Slightly concerned that we were. What the hell's that noise? Okay, we're going to fall over now. This is, well, I mean the camera there, you can see the floor, that's all we're seeing.